Magandang araw mga kabubbles. Narito ang latest news ngayon sa PBA. Gabe Norwood nagsisisi kung bakit airball ang ginawa niya instead of layup o dunk na lang. At Barangay Ginebra star player gustong-gusto ng maglaro muli ng basketball. Panalo nga ang Barangay Ginebra kontra sa Rain or Shine sa score na 107-102 last Friday. At ang best player sa laban na ito ay ang bagong star player ng Ginebra na si Maverick Ahanmisi na nagtala ng 21 points, 12 rebounds, 9 assists at 5 out of 7 sa 3-point field goal. Pero ang naging highlights nga ng game na ito ay ang maling desisyon ng team captain ng Rain or Shine na si Gabe Norwood. Dahil under 17 seconds left nga ay nang maaga ng Rain or Shine ang bola sa Ginebra, maari sanang layup na lang o dunk ni Gabe ang bola para bumaba sana sa 1 point ang lamang ng Ginebra. Pero siya nga ay tumira ng isang fadeaway jump shot na nagresulta nga ng airball. At dito nga ay nagsisisi nga daw siya sa naging desisyon niya at magiging matalino na siya sa mga next decision niya sa team. Narito nga ang buong pahayag ni Gabe tungkol dito, panoorin po natin mga kabubbles.
Felt like we were running around forever. At least, you know what I mean. Kind of time slowed down. We got the steal. I think everything ran through my head at the same time. I kind of remember the score. First when we got the steal, I was thinking, oh, I got a layup. And I thought we were down 3. I thought there was less time on the clock. By the time I kind of started dribbling backwards, I took a peek and I saw we had more. I just didn't get a quick one up. And I had a lot of options there. And in my situation, I got to be smarter in that situation, man. That's a one possession game. Just want a chance, and I took that chance from us to kind of come out victorious. So, got to be better. It sucks 0-4. It was a great chance to beat a great team. And, you know, it is what it is. I just got to make smarter decisions at that point. I mean, I wasn't even thinking about being open at that point. We got the steal, and you know, I saw Andre and Santi trailing. I wasn't sure if DeJuan was still on the court when he got the steal. I think he fell. You know, naturally trying to get the ball in the guy's hands that were hot, and then all of a sudden, you know, that same split second, I'm thinking, the time. You know, I thought there was less time on the clock, and maybe we are down 2. It was just everything. I got to be smart in that situation, time score situation. You know, it's about when you're 5 years old. And, you know, I lost that, and that took advantage of me.
Damako naman tayo sa isang star player ng Ginebra na gustong-gusto na daw makabalik sa paglalaro ng basketball. Si Jeremiah Gray nga ay na-injured last PBA on tour. Ayon nga sa reports na ito ay siya ay nagkaroon ng 3 injury, ito ay ACL, MCL at PCL injury. Pero ngayon nga ay nakakapaglakad-lakad na siya at nanood pa ng laban nila kagabi kontra sa Rain or Shine. At gustong-gusto na nga daw niya makabalik sa paglalaro ng basketball kasama ang mga teammates niya. Panoorin natin ang buo niyang pahayag tungkol dito mga kabubbles.
Successful surgery on my knee around August, and I'm feeling a lot better right now. I'm doing my rehab. I'm back in the team. I can't really practice yet too much, but just still strengthening my leg and trying to get back right and ready for the next time I can play. I'm not really too sure right now, but we're hopefully in like the next year. But I'm not too sure right now. I'm just taking it one day at a time. A little bit. I'm not too active. I tend to lose weight, which is kind of weird. People are usually the opposite, but when I'm more active and I can move around and run around, I get more of an appetite. But I'm back around the team, so I'm going to be working on that for sure, and hopefully get healthy and come back as soon as possible.